Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to play YouTube in the background. So what I mean by in the background is if your phone is off, but you still want to play the YouTube video, then I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. So you don't need YouTube Premium or anything to do that. It's really simple, so I'll show you guys exactly how to play YouTube in the background of your phone. But first things first, you're going to want to head over to a browser because you cannot do it with the YouTube app. You have to go to the YouTube website. So choose whichever browser you want to use. I'll be using Chrome, but you can also use Safari or any other one. They all work. But first you want to head over to the YouTube website. So search for youtube.com, and once you do that, it'll bring you to the YouTube page. So once you're on the YouTube page, you're going to want to find the video that you want to play in the background. So let's say I wanted to play some music. I'll use some copyright-free music so that I don't get copyrighted. But you search for whatever songs you want or podcasts or anything. And once you search for the music, then it'll show all the options. And then you can just choose whichever option you want. But once you find the video that you actually want to play in the background, what you do here, you have to request the desktop site of YouTube. So you can do that on Chrome by clicking on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen, and then scrolling down and looking for the request desktop site. But for Safari, it's basically the same thing, except you have to click on the two A's. So it's a capital A and then a small a. But once you click on that, you should find the option for request desktop site. But once you find the option, just click on it, and then it will load the page. And now it'll look a bit weird because it's for the desktop site and not the mobile site. But once you are on this page, you're just going to want to play the ad real quick and get through the ad. So it's gonna put you into full screen whenever you play the video, but you skip the ad, and once you do that, it's gonna load the video for a bit. And once the video starts playing, so it's gonna take a bit longer because it's a desktop site, but once it starts playing, then you'll be able to actually listen to the music, right? Now to listen to it in the background, what you have to do, you have to go to the home screen. So once it starts playing, you have to pause the music. So go out of the full screen, pause the music, and then go to your home page or home screen. So swipe out the music and then pause it, and then go to your home screen. Now once you do that, if you swipe down in the top right corner of your screen, then the song should still be there in the play option. So if you click play, then you'll still be able to play it in the background without any picture in play in picture or whatever. Now as you can see here, you can also play it when your phone is off as well. So you can turn it all the way off and the music will still play. That is how you do it. You can play it in the background while you're doing some app, or you can also play it while your phone is off. That is how you play music in the background on YouTube. So, or play any video on YouTube in the background. Now keep in mind that if an ad comes on, then you might have to go back into the browser to skip the ad. But other than that, it works perfectly. So that is how you play music in the background, or play a video in the background. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.